Guys, just mute yourselves. Just wanted to understand if I'm audible. By any chance, if I'm cutting in and out, please do let me know in advance.
Yeah, you are so clear.
Okay, I'm not
Good.
visible at all, sir. I'm audible, right?
Yes, you
Yes,
are
you are
audible
audible.
perfectly.
Great,
Good
great.
enough. Only.
Yes. Okay. So in the next 4 minutes, we'll start the class off, and these topics are going to be very interesting, and we'll try to understand why we all have connected here today, and what is the main motto and the purpose. Okay.
Yeah.
हेलो।
Hello. Yes, sir.
अभिषेक सर कितना टाइम लगेगा और?
3 minute or sir.
ओके सर।
Okay. Yes. So we'll
थैंक
start in 1 or 2 minutes. That's not a problem. But I just want everyone to connect. So people are asking me to wait for 1 or 2 minutes over the WhatsApp, asking me for the link. So yeah.
ओके सर, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम।
Okay. Guys, I hope we are good to start. So I probably believe that I've given enough of time, like 9 minutes, and we are set to start the class now. So hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Abhishek Gaud, and I'm a senior training manager in Wells Fargo, and I bring 11.6 years of experience into live underwriting, and into training department. I've been working for the last 6 years. Okay. So the
ओके
main
सर।
agenda for us to understand today is, why do we have so much of hype in the market for live underwriters at the moment? Okay, so basically, let me tell you one thing clearly. So live underwriting is never going to be automated in the near future, at least for the next 10-15 years. So I can even say 30 or 40 years, but in bare minimum, in the worst scenario, not at least within the 15 years. Okay, so we have so many opportunities around, and we have like more than 6,500 openings in the market at the moment. So I'll show you everything in detail, like who's hiring and how many opportunities do we have in the market, and we'll go through everything. Okay, so firstly, yes. So I'll start with the demo class. I'll make you understand what exactly the mortgage is, and how actually we are going to work, and what kind of tools we are going to work upon. So in detail I'll explain you everything. Okay. Make sense? Yes, sir. Okay. So let's start the class off now. Okay. So guys, is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
right?
Clearly visible.
Yes, yes.
So first thing, what exactly do you understand by the term mortgage?
No, sir.
Yes. So let me tell you clearly. So one thing I just wanted to understand is HDFC, ICICI, or any other banks related to us? Like, are they our family members? Yes, no?
No,
No,
Yes,
right?
sir.
no,
They're
no,
not our family members. Is your HDFC your brother?
no, sir.
No,
No.
right? Okay, so what must be the agenda behind? Like, why are they providing the loans? So let us assume if you ask your friend or someone 1 lakh or 2 lakhs rupees, so are they going to give you? No, right?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, in
Yes.
this generation,
No.
no one is giving or no one is helping. So why is banks helping us? So why are banks even giving like 1 crore, 2 crores of loans? What must be the reason behind?
Interest earning.
Exactly. So they are earning interest. So they says, okay, sir, so I'm going to give you a loan, but I will charge the interest. Fair enough, because they are not our brothers, sisters, anyways, they are not pertaining to us anyways. So they are charging the interest. So let us assume, okay, sir, well and good. You take the loan from me, I'll charge the interest. But what in case if you are not repaying the money? Though I'm not your brother or sister, what can I do? We can take the property back. Yes, no?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Exactly. So obviously, mortgage is nothing but taking the money from the bank. We as a borrower, we are going to approach the bank like Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, or any other bank. We are going to approach them asking, sir, I'm purchasing a new house. So can I get a loan? So he will straight away say, I can give you a loan, but there are few criteria that you have to clear. Like, I want your CIBIL credit report to be very clear, and your salary must be stable, and there should not be any negative impact on your credit report. So let us assume if you have check bounced for more than 20 to 30 times and you did not pay your EMIs in the last 6 months, do you think banks are going to give the money?
No.
No.
No,
Obviously, right?
no, sir.
Yes. Since they are not our family members, they are not going to show the mercy at all. Understand? So the basic understanding is that mortgage is a loan that is provided by the bank or mortgage lender. So guys, can you just mute it down? Yes. Now let us assume the difference between the mortgage and loan. So what is mortgage and what is a loan? So let me be clear. So mortgage is something different and loan is something different. So now let us assume I am in a college and I want to pay my MBA fees and I'm falling short of money. So will I take student loan or not?
Yes, yes. Will take. Yes.
I will take
Yes, sir.
student loan. Okay. Yes, keep
Yes,
that aside now.
education.
Second thing now. So let us assume I'm running a business and I need a capital to run the business and I do not have money. So what loan am I taking?
Business law.
Business loan.
Business loan. Yes. Now, third thing, I have my sister's wedding at my place and I want to take a loan. So I will take personal loan.
Yes, you can. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, or
Loan
marriage
is
loan.
yes. So no marriage loan, sir. So it is going to be a personal loan. What did it actually happen? So did we meet our basic requirements? Through student loan, I paid my fees, and my as a student, my requirement is fulfilled. And when as a businessman, when I took the loan, my request or whatsoever it was, my things were fulfilled. Yes, no. So my immediate requirement which I had was fulfilled or not through the business loan and my sister's wedding, and I took the personal loan. So did I fulfill my requirement or not?
Yes. Yes, you did.
Yes. So loan is nothing but let's now understand. So the loan is nothing but the sum of money a borrower borrowed from financial institution to meet various monetary requirements. Very simple, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, right? Now, so what is mortgage now? So mortgage is nothing but a function of keeping a immovable property. So can we move your property? So let us assume if you are
No,
taking
no.
a car
No, we
loan,
can't.
you can hide the car. But if you are taking a home loan, can you hide your home? No one
No,
can
we
No.
hide
can't.
it.
No, not
Yes.
possible.
We can't.
So the mortgage is nothing but a function of keeping a immovable property as in collateral. So what is collateral here?
Property.
Okay. Yes, let me.
Property.
Yes. So few of them not maybe doesn't know what is collateral exactly. So let me just tell you. So guys, we all from the basic like we all come from the basic categories like from the average students. So we all must have some or the other day have put our ornaments, gold ornaments in Manapuram Muthoot Finance and took the loan. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. So here, what is the collateral? Gold.
It's gold.
Okay, so now let us assume you are purchasing the car and you've taken a car loan. So what is the collateral here?
Car.
Car.
Vehicle.
Car, yes. And now let us assume you are taking a business loan, as said. So if you are taking a business loan, based on what he's giving the loan on our business, right? And what is
Business.
the collateral here?
Our civil
Business,
Or
and
our
our
business,
business
civil or income, business
APR.
income.
our business and
Based
assets
on
that we
business
have it in
income.
the business. Yes. Now, so here, if we are taking a home loan, so what is the collateral here?
Home.
Home. So definition of collateral is nothing but the security that we are giving it to the bank or showing it and taking the loan against that collateral is known as collateral. Yes, no?
Yes.
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 Very simple. And if you are not making the payment on time, what is going to happen?
The collateral might be they hand over
Yes,
to the bank or
Auction.
default. Yes, since
Seize the
HDFC.
property.
Yes, so since HDFC doesn't belongs to my father, my brother, anyone, so they show no mercy at all. So as per the guidelines, they are going to recover the money. How are they going to recover the money? By taking the property and selling it on auction. So they'll put that on auction, and so whatsoever the money that has got, they'll try to recuperate it. And if there is any additional amount left with them, then they are going to transfer that money to the borrower. Understand?
Yes, yes.
noted. Yes, yes, understood.
Yes. So forget about live underwriting now. So you understood the basic difference between loan mortgage and what is collateral?
Yes, we understand.
Yes, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, got it. So guys, first thing now let's understand what is mortgage life cycle. So everyone, you wanted to take a loan, so you search on Google, Instagram, and all of a sudden you keep getting the calls from the agents, though you did not call that agent. Did this happen with anyone?
Yes, sir, it happens sometimes.
Yes, right? Yeah. So basically, the algorithm will make the lenders awake and make them say that this person is looking for the loan, so try to contact or forget that. So if you want to apply the loan, who are you first connecting? You will connect the agents, sales and marketing team. Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So sales and marketing team will get into the picture and they will try to ask you few questions, and based on it, so they will process the loan file. And coming to the next, so this is a mortgage life cycle. Okay, so first thing, always if you want to apply for a loan, so this is the only thing that will happen in the entire life cycle. So first thing, always agents will come into the picture or sales and marketing team will come into the picture. They will collect the basic documents and they will further proceed it. So the processing team will check that if sales and marketing team has done the correct work or not, like collecting the CIBIL report, collecting the bank statements, 6 months of bank statement, 3 months of pay slip, PAN card, Aadhaar card, as per Indian terminology I'm speaking. Okay. So do we check all this? Yes, no?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Yes, right? Yes. So after that, so processing team will give it to the pre-underwriting team or underwriting team. So what will they do? they will check, okay, so I received this loan file. So the borrower's name is Abhishek, and I wanted to first check if the Abhishek has good credit score or not. Okay, and then I'll check for if Abhishek has all the rest of the documents accurate, like pay slips, how much is his salary. So we'll understand everything. So okay, if this loan is set to be approved, so we are going to further proceed it. So you're not going to fund that money. You're not going to transfer that money to Abhishek. You as an underwriter, you will never do that. So you will push file to the closing team. So what will closing team do? Closing team will take care of funding. Okay, Abhishek is eligible of 1 crore here. So his property's worth is 1 crore. So I am approving this loan from HDFC of 80 lakhs. So I am set to send this 80 lakhs to not to Abhishek, but to the one who I'm purchasing the property from. Understood, everyone?
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
basically,
yes, got it.
yes. And once we have got the loan amount, we have purchased the property. So what is the need of servicing then? Sir, until the closing, we keep calling the banks, but after sir, after closing, banks will start calling us. Why? Because we will skip the EMIs on time. We don't pay it, right? So then who's going to call you guys?
Bank side.
Yes. So that is nothing but the servicing team. But in Indian terminology, we call it as customer support. Yes, no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So customer support is going to get in touch with us. So they basically will not call only for one thing, that if you are missing the EMI. So let us assume your EMI is of 5,000 and the money is being debited of 5,500. Who will you contact? Customer support servicing team.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And let us assume your EMI date is on 1st of every month and you had your 5,000 in your account. So you paid it on 30th manually. But on 1st again, the amount is being debited. So who are you going to call? Customer support.
Obviously,
Yeah.
yes.
Customer
Uh,
support.
Customer only.
Exactly. Exactly. So now after servicing, what is secondary market? So guys, always remember focus on this part. So it's going to be interesting. Okay.
Sir, can you little bit zoom it?
Yes, sir. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. And by the way, you do not have to worry. I'm going to share this PPT. So you don't have to worry at all. And yes. So
Hello.
now, yes, sir.
Sir, are mortgage loan common in India or they mainly use in UK or UK or US?
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
Sir, mortgage loan common
Mm-hmm.
in India or they mainly use in UK or US?
Okay. Mortgage is a global term. So let's
Okay.
assume if you're purchasing a home in India. So what are you going to do? You're going to take a loan from bank.
Okay.
So that loan is nothing but mortgage. To
Yes,
approve
sir.
that loan, to approve that loan, I just wanted
Okay.
few things from you. Let us assume you're purchasing the home. So
Okay.
you came to me giving all the documents. So I'll verify your documents. First thing I'll check for your CIBIL. So let
Right.
us assume if your CIBIL is not good, how are you going to pay the money? Because we
Right.
understand that you're by defaulting all the time. So do you think I can pay you money even if your property is worth of 10 crores? I'm not going to give you because you
Okay.
have no intention to pay at all. So let the property's value be 1 crore or 10 crore. Does that matter?
Right.
Yes. So now, so what is secondary market? So guys, remember, so I went to the bank and I've taken a loan on my property. So they approved a loan of 80 lakhs. Keep this in mind, okay? From HDFC. So secondary market states that so they want to sell the loan from HDFC to ICICI. So my loan with HDFC is for 5%, okay? So HDFC has given me a loan of 80 lakhs for 5%. So now back end, HDFC is doing what? They are approaching ICICI or other top banks stating, I have the ready loan, a ready-made loan that I want to sell this loan for 4.5 percentage. Is ICICI or any banks ready to take this? Definitely they will take it because if ICICI is purchasing from HDFC, do ICICI requires sales and marketing team?
Not at
No, right?
all. Because,
No, no, right? Because
not at
already
all, because they got
HDFC has
the
already done
clear
the background
clear
work.
process.
Yes. So it's a ready-made loan, we call it as. Okay. So HDFC has done all the backend work. So what backend they have done? HDFC hired the sales and marketing team. HDFC has hired the processing team, pre-underwriting team, closing team, and servicing team. Yes, no, everyone. Now, ICICI wants to purchase the loan from HDFC for 4.5%. So, what is the benefit for HDFC here?
0.5%.
Exactly. So, they are going to earn this 0.5% throughout the term of loan for next
80
30
lakhs.
years. Yes, not 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs are given back to, yes, remember this one. First thing, they got their 80 lakhs in return and they're earning 0.5% for doing nothing. Yes, no, smart work.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, so that is what a secondary market say. A secondary market is also called as investors market, where investor meet investors. HDFC is an investor, yes, no, and ICICI is also an investor. Agreed?
Yeah, great.
Yeah, agree.
Yes.
In terms
So
of,
now,
we can say as
Yes.
a re something
yes,
in
and
insurance
by
they
doing
called
this,
reinsurer.
sorry, sir, I'm not getting to hear you at all. Can you be louder?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are now. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, in terms of in insurance process, sometimes there are also the reinsurer means kind of that also persons are available. So they work like that process only.
Exactly. Yes, sort of.
Hmm.
Okay. So, guys, now I hope you understood the mortgage life cycle and secondary market as well, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so let's understand what is conventional loan and non-conventional loan. In USA, we have two types of loans given by the US vendors and by the US banks. One is conventional and another one is non-conventional loan. So we are overall going to work on only two of these files. One is conventional and another one is non-conventional. So conventional loans are basically called as non-government loans, wherein non-conventional loans are said to be called as government loans, wherein we have three categories in it. One is FHA, Federal Housing Association, one is VA, that is Veteran Affairs, and third one is USDA. Okay, so these are the three things that we have. And going forth, so now let's assume what is mortgage occupancy types. Okay, so guys, if you try to fill a form anywhere, so will they ask for primary residence address? Let's assume you're going to a bank applying for the credit card, or you're trying to open a bank account, so will they
Yes,
ask for the
Yes, yes,
primary address?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
definitely.
yes, yes.
Yes, so
Yes.
what is primary address? Primary address is nothing but the currently living address.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everyone.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
um,
Yes,
yes, right.
primary address is a living address. Yes.
Yes. And now, so primary address is always said to be called as an current residing address. Okay. And now second home. What is second home? Second home is nothing but a farmhouse. In India, we call it as farmhouse. So let us assume if you have two homes, one is primary residence, and second one would basically be a farmhouse or investment property. Okay. So first we'll understand what is second home. Second home is nothing but a farmhouse or a vacation property where you do not live there, and you may go occasionally, maybe on holidays or on weekends, just to enjoy. So if you have a farmhouse, basically you will go every day, or you're going to go on occasionally or on weekends.
Occasionally.
Yeah, but you own
Occasionally.
that
personally,
Weekend and
particular property.
occasionally.
Exactly, that's
Understand.
right.
Yes, understand.
Yes. And now, what is investment property? So let us assume first one is primary residence, you are living there, and second home is nothing but you have built a farmhouse and you are going there occasionally and you're not given that for rent. So now third one property is nothing but investment property. So what is investment property? Where you're generating the income. Yes, no? So
Yes,
investment
sir.
property
Yes.
is nothing but yes, where you're generating the
Yes.
income.
So
Yes,
like office address.
exactly, yes. So now guys, keep your mind, just think, would there be any fourth type of occupancy?
So permanent address.
A permanent address is nothing but primary residence.
Primary address. Your voice is breaking, sir, actually.
Let
Guys,
out
am I
property.
Communication address.
okay? Just a minute, guys. Am I breaking?
Commercial
Clear now.
property.
It's fine.
It's clear now, right? Okay.
Now,
So
now
guys,
it's much
okay.
better.
So one is you living there, and second one is second home is nothing but vacation property, and third one is nothing but investment property. So do you think is there any other type of property? You may be
Let out
thinking that, sir, what in case
commercial.
I have a commercial is nothing but again investment property. You are generating the income there.
Okay. Let out property.
Yes, no.
So your village address.
Sorry.
Your village address.
Village address again. It's called a second home, if not farmhouse, where
Okay.
no one is staying there, but you go occasionally.
Might, might be there is a
Backup
property
property.
which is
Permanent
from
address.
your
Permanent
grandparents or
address is
something
nothing
like
but
that, sir.
primary residence again.
Agreed, but as a primary residence, I'm staying in like Sejima, Hyderabad. But I have another
But
permanent address in another city also, na?
Okay, so that may be second home, like if you're not giving it for rent, and if you're giving it for rent, that will be considered as investment property. Yes, no.
Okay, got it.
Got it, sir.
So in
Yes.
entire our life, so we will never see any third type of fourth type of mortgage occupants. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So no matter how many property we have,
No
it will
matter what.
consider as second home.
Second, so okay, no
If
matter
we
what,
if
let's
we
assume
already have a primary residence.
yes. If we one only okay, you tell me, can you live in 3 homes in a day?
No, sir.
So it must either be second home, or if you have 10 properties, you may give that properties for rent. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Or
yes,
if
sir.
that is
Yes.
vacant, if that is vacant, so you will just go for just go relax there on weekends. And can you
Second
do
home.
any other things apart from it?
No, sir. Second home.
No,
Just
sir.
second home.
Yes, now you understand. So there are only 3 types of occupancies.
Just
Those are
completely
primary
understand.
residence, second home, and investment property. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Completely understand.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
makes
sir.
sense. Okay. Now, what is underwriting? So what exactly the underwriter does? Okay. So let me tell you clearly, guys.
Evaluates the capacity of borrower.
Yes. First, let me tell you. So guys, we as an underwriter, we are going to check 4 C's of borrower. Okay. We basically call it as 4 C's. Okay. So what are these 4 C's? So one is credit, another one is capacity, third one is capital, fourth one is collateral. Okay. Now let us assume. So as per US terminology, the minimum credit score has to be 620. Guys, am I audible?
Yeah, yes, yes.
yes, yes,
Yes.
you are
Okay,
audible.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. You
Yes.
are audible.
Yes. So now let us assume if your credit score is 750, can we approve the loan?
Yes.
It's
Yes, right?
approved, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. 100% approved. Yes, sir. So now we have checked first C and we understood that credit is 100% perfect. Now, sir, your credit is 800. So we'll definitely approve the loan.
Yes.
Now,
No, I don't think so. It
No,
totally
sir. No,
depends
sir.
on
We have checked
credit
your
score.
capacity repayment.
yes. Now
We
coming
will
to
look
the
at
second.
the
Yes.
credit
Just
report
a
of the
minute.
borrower also.
Yes. Now let us assume, sir, your credit is so much that I was so impressive, but you are not working for last 2 years. Even if your credit score is 850, On what basis you're going to give the EMIs on time? So we require the capacity as well. Capacity is nothing but income. So credit score has to be more than 620, and also income has to be at least basic level. Like as per the guidelines, we should have the minimum income. Understand everyone? So without income, even if your credit score is 900, how are we supposed to approve? Does a underwriter has that in mind running or not? Sir, you have your CIBIL score of 850 or 900, but you do not have income. So I don't have to do anything with your credit score because your credit score is not paying the money. Your salary pays the EMI, right? So I need you to work. So I want to see your pay slip as well. Agreed, everyone?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
agreed.
Yes.
Yes, sir, agreed.
Yes. So now let us assume borrower said, sir, I am unemployed, but still we can approve the loan. How are we supposed to approve it? Okay. So borrower states that, sir, I have investments. So I'm investing into mutual funds for the last 5 years, and I have 5 crore of mutual funds, and every month I'm receiving 3 lakhs. So based on this, can we approve the loan? Because that's an income, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they approve.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
right.
So based on that, I'm going to approve the loan. Now, all the three C's are very accurate. But coming to the collateral part, your property's value is 50 lakhs and you're asking me the loan of 80 lakhs. Can I approve the loan?
No. No.
No, no.
Guys, can you just mute it down if you guys have no questions for me, because we have a number of students here. So everyone has to understand the concept, okay? Yes. So now if you have the property of 80 lakhs and you have the property of 50 lakhs and you are going to the bank stating you want the loan of 80 lakhs, can the banks give that?
No,
Okay.
no.
Now,
Approve it below the 50 lakh.
okay, now tell me, if your credit score is 850 but and your salary is, you're a director of one of the companies and your salary is 10 lakhs every month, so can we give 80 lakhs now?
Yes, sir, yes. 70 lakh.
Yes.
No, no.
Okay.
Even the collateral
No.
property value
No.
is 50 lakhs.
Okay, let me tell you. So let's go with yes. Okay. So now I was a manager, I was a director when the loan is approved. So now after 2 months, after I getting the loan of 80 lakhs for 50 lakhs property, I am not paying the EMI. So what are the banks supposed to do? They will seize the property. Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes.
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 Okay. They will seize my property and they will sell it to you. Will you take that property?
No.
Why you
Yeah.
will not take?
Property worth is low. Na?
Exactly, yes. So, sir, you will go, so whenever bank is approaching you, you will ask them, am I looking a fool to you? So your property's worth is 50 lakhs. So bank says, sir, I gave him 80 lakhs. So is that my headache? Yes,
Yes,
no?
yes,
So
yes.
Yes.
obviously, even if you are a millionaire or you have a number of assets, we have to look for the collateral all the time. So collateral should always be beyond lesser than the property's value. So if your property's value is 1 crore, the loan will be 80 lakhs, but not 1 crore 50 lakhs. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes.
Yes, right? So always remember this one. So we as an underwriters, we are going to check for 4 things. Those are credit, capacity, capital, and collateral. So credit should be very sufficient and salary must be stable and enough sufficient to approve the loan. And capital, like any investments, like let us assume, sir, you if you lose your job tomorrow, how are you going to pay the money? So we have the second option, right? So can you please provide me the second option? Okay, here is my second option. I have mutual funds, so you don't have to worry about approving the loan. I can pay it through my mutual funds for 3 to 4 months. Understand everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir,
got it.
understand.
Yes.
But how we
Now,
got to know that he's getting the amount from the mutual fund? How we verify
exactly.
that?
Yes, that's right. So capital is also one of the prominent role that plays in the underwriting. So we basically will check for the all the 4 C's. Okay. Now, We'll
Can
understand
I
this
ask a
step by
question,
step.
sir?
One more question is there, sir. Does
Yes,
the
sir.
share
Go ahead.
market's money considered as a cap in capital?
Yes, we can consider if you have it in the mutual funds, stocks, bonds, or debentures. So those are
Okay.
not
Okay.
riskier.
Are not linked.
Everyone understood, right?
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
सर
कैपिटल इज
ये
अ डाउन
जैसे कि आपने
पेमेंट.
मेरे को बताया है कि अभी इसके अंदर म्यूचुअल फंड्स के थ्रू या वैसे पेमेंट कर सकते हैं सर, क्या ये हेजिंग के काम आता है? मतलब जैसे जब इनकम सोर्स नहीं होता किसी के लिए, तो क्या म्यूचुअल फंड स्टेटमेंट कैन बी एबल टू लाइक
Yes, yes. So let us assume. So mutual funds has a number of things. So there is a one kind of mutual funds where we get fixed income in return. You all know that, right?
बट सर
So
वो वॉलेटाइल भी तो है ना, अगर मार्केट डाउन गई तो
not
दैट मार्केट
really,
आल्सो
not really. There are few plans like with Aditya Birla, or if you go with Tata or any other mutual funds, they give fixed 8%. Sir, even if the
डिबेंचर्स में
market is going,
डिबेंचर्स
even if the market is going down, so you have to not be bothered about. So I'm going to give you fixed 8% at any cost.
दैट आर द डिबेंचर्स फंड ना.
Not just the debentures, we have it in the mutual funds as well.
ओके.
Okay. So
इक्विटी
this
पार्ट.
kind, yes. So this kind of assurance that if the borrower is providing, then we can consider it. And by the way, we are not learning the capital markets, but then yes, I'm going to make you understand everything in detail. You do not have to worry about. Okay. The first thing that we will understand is capacity. So what is capacity? So what is capacity, guys? So capacity is nothing but the borrower's income. So if you can see it here, so it clearly states that income. So what is his salary? If we are approving the loan of 50 lakhs, the EMI is coming to 5,500 or 10,000 every month. Is borrower earning more than that? If yes, for how long is he earning that money? Is the company stable, or is there any thought process of automation in the company that the positions may lay off? If you feel like that, sir, I don't feel like your company is secured, so can you please provide me the alternative option? Yes, sir. So I'm going to provide you my brokerage statement. Brokerage statement is nothing but mutual funds, fixed deposit, debentures, or any others like FD. Let's assume FD. In fixed deposit, you get fixed money. So no matter if even if the market is fluctuating, rising, getting down, yes, no, we get fixed 8%.
Yes.
So borrower states, yes, sir,
Whatever
I
the
have my 2 crores in my FD. So you can consider this. So based on the FD statement, can we approve the loan?
Yes, we can.
Yes. So capacity is nothing but the salary slip verifying the pay stub. So in India, we call it as pay slips. In USA, we call it as pay stubs. Okay, very clear. So we basically will check for the pay slips, that is pay stubs. And the second is capital, to understand what is the borrower's investments assets that he have, which can be converted. Guys, when I say capital, capital is nothing but assets. So why not we are considering assets as in property? So borrower may have the 2 homes or 3 properties. So capital is nothing but liquid assets, which can be converted into cash within no time. So if you have your home and you missed your EMI due to your salary not being credited, will you sell your home? No, right?
No, 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 sir.
no, sir.
But let's assume you have your EMI tomorrow and you did not receive your salary today. So are you going to take a portion of your shares and sell it and pay the EMI? Is there possibility?
Sure. Definitely,
Yes.
sir. Even
Yes. Yes.
gold also can consider it as this capital also, no, sir.
Exactly. So capital is nothing but a liquid assets that can be converted into cash within no time, or we can call it as readily available cash. Understand, everyone?
Yes. Yes. Got this way.
Yes, makes sense. Okay. And what is collateral? So as said, collateral, if you are taking a home loan, what would be the collateral?
Property, home.
That's it. No other talks.
Value
So
of
it's
property.
property. Yes, home is nothing but the collateral. And if you would have taken a gold loan, so what would be the collateral?
Gold.
Gold.
Gold or car.
Yes. For gold loan, would it be car?
RC
Okay.
hypothecation.
Yes. Yes. If you have taken the car loan, then it would be car. Okay. Now, so coming to the underwriting flow. So what does underwriter do? So underwriter basically is going to review 1003 form, which we basically call it as 1003 form or loan application. In loan application, what is mentioned? Credit report, that is credit, income and ratio calculation, that is capacity, verification of assets, that is nothing but the capital, and purchase agreement, that is nothing but the collateral. So as said, are we not looking at this all these four? We are, right? So we as
Yeah.
an underwriter, yes, we as an underwriter, we are
Four
going
C's.
to look for all the four C's. That's right. So now, what is the role of underwriter? So we review the documents and we ask for the supporting documents. What do you understand by the term supporting documents? Let me tell you. So if after borrower providing the loan documents, we felt that his salary is not stable. So what are we going to ask?
Investment documents.
Are we Yes. So those investment documents are called as supporting documents. Yes, no?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yes, using those
Yes.
supporting documents, we can approve the loan. And analyzing the
Bank
loan risk.
statement itself can be also used as a supportive document.
Yes. So analyzing the loan risk. So if we are giving a loan to this fellow, is he going to pay the money or not? Obviously, he will pay. He has to pay. How? Let's understand, sir. Even if your salary is 10 lakhs, but I see for the last 2 years you are not paying EMIs on time. Can we consider that as an riskiest profile or not?
Riskiest profile.
Yes, yes.
Yes. We will have to look at the document. So we will analyze everything and understand if this borrower is safest to provide the loan or not. Okay. And you are going to be the sole responsible to approve the loan or reject the loan. That is the reason why banks, companies are paying you so much of money. So one mistake and gone. So no one is going to QC these files again after you approving the loan. Understand everyone?
Yeah, understand.
Yes.
Yes. So you have to verify everything. You have to check for the assessments and you have to write down. So what went wrong if this loan is not approved? Why was this loan not approved? And if this loan is approved, why was this loan approved and on what conditions you have approved? So we have to write it down everything and keep it in the notes. In future, if there is any glitch, any disturbance from the borrower, we just fetch the documents out and see what exactly it is. Understand everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so guys, I do not have this clearly. So this is nothing but a 1003 form. So that is a loan application form. So which I am going to show you in clear tomorrow. So you do not have to worry at all about this. So this is the file that we are going to work on. So nothing apart. So within this, we have a number of form numbers. That is something different. But we as an underwriter, we are going to review 1003 form. Understand everyone?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now again the loan mortgage cycle as said. So first thing, sales and marketing team will come into the picture, and then the processing team will take care of all the documents. If all the documents are accurate and ready to send it to the underwriting team or not, they check and send it to the underwriting team. Underwriting team will approve, reject, or conditionally approve the loan and send it to the closing team. Closing team will take care of disbursement of funds, and after disbursement, whenever you do not pay the money on time, servicing team will call you guys or you guys will call servicing team if there is any discrepancy with the EMIs. And then last comes to the sold to investors. So you know how investors actually act as in, right? So guys, let me ask you one thing. So guys, what all types of properties do we have in entire life? So let's understand if there would be any other type of property. Okay, so guys, you can see this property, everyone.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
there is one entrance here. You see
Yes.
there is one entrance, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Now, now tell me, can two families stay here?
No, sir.
No, no,
No,
sir.
No.
obviously, right? I cannot enter my home from your hall or from your kitchen. Can I do that? No, right?
No.
Yes. So this is single family residence. We call it as SFR. Okay. So what is single family residence? Where only one family is residing. So you can see this here clearly, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now understanding. Yes. What is 2 to 4 unit property? So guys, in India, basically, let's assume that my father is constructing a home to me and my brother. So he's going to build the same properties look alike, and those same looks similar to the another property, and that property is just going to be beside to my home. So have you ever come across this kind of properties?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay, maybe few must have not come through, but yes. So this is nothing but 2 to 4 unit property, we call it as, or else multi-family residence. Like here you see in this first picture, we have two properties, and at the same time, we see two entrance and two exit. Can we see?
Sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that means two families are living here. By any chance, can six families live here?
No, sir.
Because from my entrance, no one can, no others can enter. Like from your home, passing from your home, I cannot go to my home. From your kitchen, from your bedroom, or from your bathroom. Obviously, right? So if there is one entrance, that means only one entrance, one family. But here we see two entrance, that means there are two families. And here we see four entrance, so that means four properties, four families are going to live here. Agree?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, understanding condominium. What is condominium? In simple terms, in India, apartments. Yes. So, apartment is nothing but called as condominium in USA. Okay. So, what is condominium? So, what is the difference between these properties and condominium? So, one difference is, so here, if this is your home, the land belongs to you and the house belongs to you. Yes, no, everyone?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
if your father has built this one for you, so land belongs to you and the home that was built is also belonging to you. Yes, no?
Yes.
Now here, if you're purchasing a flat number 103, is only flat 103 belongs to you or the land as well?
Only
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 103.
flat,
uh,
sir.
Only flat.
only flat
Exactly.
number.
So
Flat.
only flat number belongs to you, like a portion of flat, but not the plot, not the land. Understand, everyone?
Right.
So that is the difference between all these three. And what is PUD? Planned Urban Development. Guys, we see there are ventures, builders constructing 50 to 100 villas, which looks similar. Yes, no?
Row house.
Yes. So that is called as planned urban development. So have we come across in India anytime? Anyone?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes. So what is the difference between condominium and PUD? So PUD is nothing but planned urban development. That means villa number one belongs to Abhishek Gaud. That means a portion of villa number flat belongs to Abhishek, and also the land belongs to the Abhishek. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So that is nothing but PUD. Now, guys, invest your brain, like invest some brain and just recollect. Would there be any other fifth type of property? Sir, I have a property in my farmhouse, like in farm. So that is nothing but single family residence again. No, sir, that actually I was built in five story. Like I have 5 floors and I have 20 plots. So that is again condominium. Yes, no? Anyone? Any
Yes. Yes.
questions?
Yes.
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 No questions, right? Okay. Now let's understand mortgage types. So one is fixed rate mortgage, second one is adjustable rate mortgage, and third one is balance mortgage. So what is fixed rate mortgage? So let us assume I'm a salaried person and I have a salary of 10,000. Okay. Now I'm going to the bank asking for the loan. They approved my loan and they said they can give me 4,000 of EMI every month. So I being the salaried person, I will choose fixed rate of mortgage because, sir, I am going to pay my 4,000 at any cost on first of every month. Yes, no, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Now let us assume what is adjustable rate mortgage. So adjustable rate mortgage is nothing but, so when I took a loan of HDFC from HDFC Bank, my rate of interest was 5%. Remember? So with 5%, the EMI was coming to 4,000. Now, due to fluctuations of interest rate, the interest rate has come up to 9%. Now my EMI is coming to 9,400. Can I pay? Anyone?
Your voice
Because
is not audible.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
okay, so let us assume if my property, if I'm taking a loan with fixed rate mortgage, my EMI is 4,000 every month. I'm happily paying. And what is adjustable rate mortgage? So let us assume, so you everyone know that I've taken a loan from HDFC Bank for 5% everyone. So the
Yes,
EMI
yes,
is
yes.
4,000. Okay. So now adjustable rate mortgage is nothing but the interest rate fluctuates. So as the interest rate now, when I took a loan, the interest rate was 5% and the EMI was coming to 4,000. But after 2 years, the interest rate has come up to 9% and my EMI is coming to 9,600. Can I afford this?
No.
No.
Because
No.
my income is how much?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
So salaried persons will basically go with fixed rate mortgage. Understand everyone? Okay.
Yes.
So what is the benefit with adjustable rate mortgage? Okay, let me tell you. So my EMI is 4,000, 5% of interest. I'm so happy. But what in case if the EMI is rate of interest has come down to 3%? My EMI will be 2,500. That's very happy and that is satisfying me. But what in case if the EMI is spiking to 9%? I cannot afford. So, sir, even if the interest rate in future will come to 1%, I'm not sure. But I don't want to take risk. I want to go with fixed rate mortgage. Will I say this or not?
Yes.
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 Yes. And adjustable rate mortgage is for the one who is into business or who has so much of assets that even if the mortgage rate is coming to 9%, they're ready to pay 8,500 of EMI and they will happily enjoy if the rate of interest is coming down and they will pay the EMI of only 2,000. So who will basically risk? Only the businessman, right? And we as a salaried person, we will never risk and we will always lose in life. Yes, no, agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
so that,
Yes.
yes. Now, what is balance mortgage? So balance mortgage is nothing but I'm approaching bank saying, sir, you approve my loan of 50 lakhs and monthly EMI is 4,000, right? So 4,000 into 5 months, that comes to 20,000. So I will pay you my EMI after fifth month. So why should I listen to you? I'm not going to approve your loan, sir. But I'm saying to the bank that, sir, here is my property documents. I'm selling my first home for 1 crore and I'm supposed to receive that first property's so price like amount in the next 5 months. So if I'm selling my first existing property, if I'm receiving the funds in the next 5 months from 5 months from the seller, so I'm going to show this proof that, sir, so buyer, sorry, the buyer is purchasing the home from me. He has given me the token amount of 80 lakh of 10 lakhs and the remaining amount I'm going to receive it in the next 5 months. So here is a proof. So based on that proof, we can approve the loan and for the first 5 months or for first 8 months, we will have no EMI or low EMI. So sometimes looking at your profile, I will feel like, okay, sir, you are selling your home. That's well and good. So your EMI is 4,000, right? I just wanted to see if you really have intent to pay the money on time or not. So can you just make a payment of $100 every month for the next 6 months? Okay. So that is called as a balance mortgage. Now let's understand this. So a balance mortgage is a loan that has a initial period of low or no monthly payments. Understand everyone? Simple.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One more
So,
time you can repeat, sir.
okay, sir, your name?
Ajay.
Ajay. So let us assume you are a bank and I am coming to you. I'm asking a loan from you. Okay. So you approved a loan of 50 lakhs for me and my monthly EMI is 4,000. Okay, Ajay. So you're working
Okay,
with
sir.
HDFC Bank. Now you approved my loan, but after then I said you that Ajay sir, I do not have any money at the moment, but I'm selling my existing property for 1 crore and here is the loan agreement and the purchase agreement. So the buyer said that he want to buy the home from me in the month of December. So can you just wait for 5 months? So by you will say, I do not trust you. Can you just show me the documents? So Ajay sir, here is the purchase agreement between me and buyer. So buyer stated that he is going to give me the check in the month of November. So please, can you just keep these documents or can you just consider these documents and approve my loan? Now you are saying, okay, Abhishek, I understood that you have to get a money from the buyer in 5 months. So the EMI is 4,000, right? But I want to see if you're really interested, or you have a intent to pay the EMI or not. So can you just make $100 for the next 5 months? You said you approved the loan. So I said, yes, sir, I can pay the money. So this is nothing but balance mortgage. Understand? So after I selling that home in the month of December, I will pay all the 5 months of EMI in lump sum in one go.
Sorry, sorry to disturb you. Just that particular 100 amount will be get deducted from that particular amount, or it will be considered as a interest.
No, no, no. That 100, depending on the program that we are taking,
Okay.
depending on the
Got
loan.
it.
So see, when the bank trusts you and let go for 5 months, so definitely even if it is interest, we have to pay. Agreed?
Got it. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
but
guys,
that particular amount should be get deducted after that particular
yes,
from
that
that
will be
particular.
that will be included in the loan program. That will be included in the loan
Okay.
program, even if it is hundred
Got
dollars, $10 or $1. Okay. I just wanted to
whatever.
see your intent that you're really willing to pay or not.
Willing to pay. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Got
Yes. So now, what do you understand by the term? Okay. So guys, one thing. So respectively, so in whichever department you're working, so there is threshold amount. Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, right. So also in USA, in US mortgage, we have a threshold. So any loan above $832,750 is considered as jumbo loans. Understand? So for jumbo loans, we have to be little cautious and we have to take the approval from the managers. Understand everyone?
Okay.
So
Yes,
830 to
sir.
750 is nothing but the threshold, which we basically will have it in all the departments. Even if you are working in insurance company or even if you are working in Swiggy or be it any department, okay? So we will always have the threshold. So what is purchase and what is refinance? So let us assume my EMI is 4,000 as you all know. So I've taken a loan from HDFC and that is for 30 years. So that is nothing but purchase. Yes, no, because I'm purchasing the property. But after 3 months, I got a call from Yes Bank. Yes Bank said that, Sir Abhishek, sir, I see you have taken fixed rate mortgage for 30 years and you're paying 4,000 EMI. So I'm willing to give you an opportunity that we also want you to pay 30 years, but I'm going to charge only 3,700. So will we switch from HDFC to Yes Bank or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can switch.
So
Yes.
this is called as, yes. So this is called as purchase or refinance because we are financing the already existing property, right? So that is called as an refinance. So when will a borrower refinance? Borrower will refinance for the betterment. Or Yes Bank called me saying, Abhishek sir, your EMI is 4,000, right? I will also give you my EMI for 4,000. Okay, then why should I switch to Yes Bank? Sir, but instead of 30 years, you can pay only 29 years here. If 1 year is reducing, is that a betterment for me or not?
Yes, it is betterment.
Yes. So we basically will, I will try to switch from HDFC to Yes Bank or not?
Yes, we can switch.
Okay. So guys, this is all we have it for today. So do you have any questions?
Sir, in refinance, only the terms and monthly amount can be changed, or we can get any kind of cash in our hand in
So
spite of refinance.
it again depends, guys. So refinance can be based on, it can be fixed rate of refinance or adjustable rate refinance, and it can even be balance mortgage as well. So guys,
Sir, in capital, in 4C, sir, in capital, you have mentioned like the bank statement is one of the proving document, but I have one doubt. Bank statement, how can be a proving document, sir? It is the transaction history, right?
okay,
So how
so
it
let me
can,
tell you. So if you have a bank balance of 50,000, can we consider that as an readily available cash or liquid assets?
Readily available cash.
That is one of the liquid asset, right?
Yes.
Yes. So are we going to approve that based on the balance that we have? We are going to, right?
yes,
Yes.
yes, right.
We
But we
actually can.
can withdraw that, right?
Sorry?
We can withdraw that. No, sir. Like verification of deposit is the 100% of
Okay, let me
capacity
tell
in
you one thing.
capital.
Yes. So we as an underwriters, we are too smart. So if you are providing your loan documents today and you deposited that 100 crores today, so I'm not going to consider. But what in case if you have that 50 lakhs in your account for the last 2 years? Can we consider that you are trying to save the money?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes,
We
we
can,
can.
right? Yes. So that's what we are going to see. That's the reason why we have to analyze the bank statement. When did you deposit that 50 lakhs? Did you deposit it yesterday, or do you have that money for the longer time, for the last 2 years, 3 years? If you have that funds for the last 3 years, can we consider that as an assets or not?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, right. So guys,
Yes.
very strange that I don't see anyone on the camera. So I just wanted to tell you a few things before we connect tomorrow for the class. Like, we just have to go through the basic principles. Like, we all are here to get an opportunity looking for the betterment, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
So I want to ask you a question. So whenever you guys are going through the virtual interview, so you guys get scared whenever the interviewer is here on the camera?
Yes.
What do you watch
Yes,
it?
Yes.
right.
Yes,
Yes. So why does that happen? It's just because you don't have the practice. Okay. So the basic. So see, guys, we are here in the demo class, and I'm going to give you one of the best tips that will definitely help you even if you guys are not enrolling from tomorrow. Trust me. On the camera, speak to everyone over the camera. Okay. So whenever we're going to have the class, on the camera and speak to me over the camera when on the camera. Okay. So whenever you'll have the interview, it will just be another video call with the interviewer, but not the interview. Okay. You will never have to fumble. You don't have to get scared. You get so hyped, so tensed around. Yes, no? Will that happen or not?
It will
Yes.
So
happen.
yes,
Happen.
right. So yes, so that will never happen if you're on the camera. So me as a senior trainer and manager, so I interview more than n number of profiles on monthly basis. So I reject the files and I give them the feedback then and there. So I don't want them to approach the HR because I will upfront give them the feedback, and that feedback will be the valid one. Okay. So I definitely never encourage that one. So guys, if you're really interested, like we are here to understand the subject, I'm gonna give you the 100% of the subject knowledge. That's my responsibility. And apart from that, yes, let me share you a few things over. So I just had that connected through my WhatsApp. So guys, I'll be honest with you. I'll just show you a number of things that will get you the clarity here over. So guys, can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, but the
Yes.
image is not
Guys,
visible.
Yes, it's
can you see the
loading.
screen or not?
Yeah, it is visible
Yes.
now.
Yes.
What? Guys, you can see my screen, right? So why can't you speak? Okay, so let me try to figure it out again. Not a problem.
Sir, it's
So
feasible, sir.
you can, yes. So guys, here are the n number of companies. Those are actively hiring, and these are the consultancies who we are in touch with. So once you're done with your program, like the interview or like the course, so we are going to help you with this one, and I'll show you the companies that are hiring from work from home and the companies who have work from office. So can you see this, everyone?
Yes.
Hi, Abhishek, Pankaj this side. I have
Yes.
some of the
So,
questions. Uh,
hey,
uh,
yes, Pankaj.
Hi. So मेरे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे है कि अभी मैंने आपका सेशन अटेंड किया, ये सेम
Okay.
इंडियन अपना मॉर्गेज और ये सेम है, सिर्फ वर्ड्स अलग है जितना भी था।
Okay. Okay.
हाँ, सेकंड मेरा बात यही था कि आप रिज्यूम भी बिल्डअप करके देते हो क्या? मतलब आपका जो कोर्स है उसमें क्या
Yes,
क्या
I'm
होता
going
है?
to prepare. Yes. Yes, जी. So अपने कोर्स में ना भाई. So I'll speak in Hindi, Telugu, English and Punjabi as well, guys. Okay. So should you have any questions, you let me know in these languages. I'll be able to figure this out. So first thing, let me tell you. So guys, आपने ये सारे देखे. So we have more than 100 calls, 100 companies. Those are hiring actively. Okay. Understood. So we
Yes,
are
sir.
associated with them. And next, sir, today was the demo class. So basically, terminologies and the rules will basically be the same, be it Indian, American, or African. Okay. So basically, we will check for the credit report, that is CIBIL, pay stubs, that is salary slips, and form 1040, that is IT returns. Like in India, we call it as if it is a business, we call it as GST returns, or we check for the
Form
form
16.
16.
Form
Yes,
16.
and in USA we check for the 1040. Okay, so guys,
Sir,
so we have a number of things to understand, and Indian terminology and US terminology is one and same, but we have more than 25 form numbers to understand why that form numbers, and we have chapter 7, 11, and 13 foreclosure. So what exactly that means, and we have practical things that we need to do, because in interview they're going to ask you in-depth questions like what do you know about the software, how do you work on DU, desktop underwriter, how do you work on AUS, automated underwriting system, how do you work on LPA, loan product advisor. So what do you understand, what are the difference between loan product advisor and desktop underwriter. So I am
But
going to show you.
yeah, Abhishek. But whenever you have joined any interview and all, so they directly ask for how many experience of US mortgage. So how we can handle for that?
Okay, so not every company is going to ask for the experience. So let me open this. And if you see, there is a company here, 8 to 1 Better Mortgage. You see, guys, Better Mortgage is actively
Actually, your voice is breaking.
just try to
Voice is
open the LinkedIn and
Your
yeah,
voice is breaking.
Yeah,
position
your voice
employment
is
up to
breaking.
LE.
voice is
Okay,
break.
and there is
Abhishek,
one third one
Abhishek,
US
voice is break.
offering up to more than for PA finance and the fresh that is providing good PA. Okay,
Sorry to interrupt you,
so
Abhishek, but
guys,
your
am I
voice
still
is
breaking?
not audible properly.
Okay,
Yes,
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 your voice
still
is
breaking.
we could not hear you properly. Your voice was breaking.
okay, so am I making sense now or still breaking?
no good, sir.
Now
Now,
it's
now
good.
you are clear.
Okay, so I make sure this continues. So guys, so we have a number of companies. If you see the 8th one Better Mortgage, so this is providing for freshers, it is providing up to 8 LPA, and WNS is providing up to 10, 11 LPA for freshers, those who have completed their finance MBA in finance or in HR. So be it any, regardless to the department. So if you're completed your MBA and you are a fresher, so here is the right opportunity, guys. So we have a number of companies, and guys, let me be clear. So there are a
Sir,
number of trainers in the market. Am I audible or breaking?
No
yeah, you are
audible.
audible now.
Yes,
Audible.
yes. So if you see, I have the phone number here as well. Okay. So you see the phone number. So this guy who's got trained under me 6 months ago, he started to train the batches now, and he's got more than 80 students. So through random connections, I got to know that. So I just asked him, so what material are you even providing? So if you see, guys, so I just confirmed that yes, this notes belong to me. Okay. So guys, all the trainers, like top trainers who are like, there is a trainer with the name Deva in Bangalore who's training the live underwriting. He was part of Sritech, like he joined the course in 2025. So he was part of a part of this session, and he was enough perfect that he started to train. So I'm never pointing out anyone. So, but then I'm just saying, be cautious. Even if you're enrolling with anyone, make sure they have the 100% subject knowledge. Okay.
सर बट बना इशू कंपनी का यही आता है कि वो डायरेक्ट पूछते हैं कि आपको कितना एक्सपीरियंस है, तो
By
उसी में वो
exa
हमें
Let me tell you again. So, not all the companies are going to ask for. And apart from that, I'm going to filter your resume in such a way that you had a bare minimum experience into US mortgage. Okay. And even if you're freshers, that will never be the problem. There are n number of companies, guys. So you must be having a question. So, like, sir,
Hello.
hello.
But
I have a
हाँ
Yes.
सर.
question.
but Abhishek,
Sir, what
but
will be the duration of the
What
class?
is language barrier? Can we speak English?
You don't have to speak English. Okay, you don't have to speak
Sir,
English at all
I
because
have a one question.
yes,
Hello.
guys, for 1 second. So let me just be clear to you guys. We do not have to speak in English. First thing, because we are not getting into customer support or we are not going to talk to any of the customers. So we are purely live underwriters. A basic English is enough. Okay, a basic English I'm saying. And first thing, so me as an proper professional, okay, so I'm also working for the MNCs. Like I've worked in all the reputed companies. Like you guys can go through my LinkedIn, starting from Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, better.com, Emphasis, and Wells Fargo. So I worked in all these companies. So I being honest to you, so I'll tell two things to you, okay? So I'm not going to give you any fake commitments. So I just see the chat, like personal chat. There is a guy with the name Soham. He just texted asking me, "Sir, I will pay the 20,000. Will I get the job?" You will never get the job if you are paying 20,000. You have to pay the 20,000. That is an admission fee, and you have to listen to classes every day for 1.5 hours. Like 1 hour would be the training, and 30 minutes would be the practical sessions. Like we're going to interact with each and everyone, try to understand, get the doubts clarified. And if you are focusing on the subject, then is when this companies I showed, we are associated with them. Okay, so first thing, I'm not your brother, sister as banks. So let's assume that I'll be 70% humble, that I'm not going to fake the things. And how about the rest 30%? Let us, why will I be back of you guys? So let me tell you guys, Sritech Software Solutions is a consultancy that provide the job opportunities. So let us assume if you are placed, if you got an opportunity through us, we scheduled an interview with better.com and you got shortlisted. So better.com is going to pay us 25,000 per person. So is that benefiting us or not?
Benefit.
So
Yes.
if this is the scenario, will we be back of you to get the opportunity or not?
Yes.
Hi,
Obviously.
Abhishek, Pankaj
Yes,
this side.
yes, Pankaj.
But किसी को एक्सपीरियंस है और सेम इंडस्ट्री का नहीं है, फैक्ट अच्छा है, तो ये फ्रेशर अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे?
भाई बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. So I shared you on the chat itself. So there was a guy with the name Vijay who recently got an opportunity. He was working with HDFC and his CTC was 3,50,000. I hope everyone has saw that one. Yes, no, anyone who saw? Can you just raise the hand? You
I
saw
think
this,
he was
right?
Kotak Mahindra Insurance, something like that.
Yes,
He
Kotak.
was with.
But then yes, maybe Kotak or HDFC, I do not remember. So he was working with that. And all of a sudden, SGSN Consultancy or SGSN Associates has hired him for the package of 8.4 lakhs. Okay. So you tell me now, from Kotak Mahindra to SGSN, how would he got opportunity or how would he be being placed if we are considering him as a fresher? So we basically do not consider that way. So guys, we in the market have 6,500 openings, and HRs cannot find 6,500 underwriters. So they are looking for the one who has knowledge on underwriting. And that's the reason we have starting the underwriting course for the last 5 years. And we have trained more than 1,400 students at the moment, out of which more than 7 to 800 have been placed. And how about the rest 4 500? So as Soham, there are students who just pay the money and go away, come after 1 month, sir, where is my job? Sir, even if that is a scenario, you do not want to join the classes, take your money back. But we are not going to entertain that way. So we are purely like we're going to genuinely work on it. So we are going to provide the 100% training. Like until and unless you have the proper knowledge, we are not going to leave. Because if you get shortlisted in any of the companies that we are pushing your profiles, that will benefit us. So obviously, if that is benefiting, I'll be back of you guys. I'm not going to leave you at all. And even after me scheduling 20 interviews, and if you're not getting shortlisted, I'll be irritated, guys. So I'll teach you all the time, no matter what. I'll teach you n number of times. So we do not have recording sessions because we are tend to prove in the market that whenever you guys call me, I'm always there to help you out. So guys, I called many of them has called here in the group. So did I respond to everyone or not? Yes, no?
Absolutely,
Hello,
yes.
sir. Actually, I
Yes.
have tried calling you, but you are not on. You have not pick up the call at that moment.
Okay,
I have
sir,
tried
that
calling you 2 times.
may I know you 2 times? May I know your name?
Sir, Rohit, sir.
Rohit. Okay. So can I just have your so what's your number?
Sir, eight at the last 8441.
8441. Okay, you called at 231, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so can you just see just a minute. So I called, so last my digits are from like 5911. So I called from my alternative number. I called you for 3 times at 415 or 416. Yes, 416. I see it here.
Just a second, sir. Let me check.
Yes, it's not about you checking, sir. I called you from another number for two times or 3 times. Okay, you can just check it out. So guys, I will
Abhishek,
never go unanswered.
Abhishek Prakash here.
Sir, I have one question actually. How
Hello,
can we cover the
Abhishek sir.
career gap?
So career gap, sir, that will not be the problem. But if you have a gap of like 4 5 years, this is the
No,
not this is not the right platform. But still,
no,
if you
it's
have
a
one to
1.5.
that's
Yes.
fun. That's fun. So even with 2.5 years of gap, I'm trying to fill it here. That will not be the problem. And guys, so another thing I just wanted to ask you. So me as an just a minute. So me as a trainer. So let's assume. So I need live under